Hello everyone. Hi, this is a basic video about the base plotting in R. Now the length of the video would be just 5 minutes. To do any kind of plotting in R or any other platform, the first thing you need is data. Now R comes with the preloaded data sets for you to practice. Now the first thing that would come to your mind is how would we know which all data sets are present in R. Now there is a simple command, data, you press Control Enter. It will give you a list of all the data sets which are present in R. Now we'll be using, it will show you all the list. Now we'll be using this empty-cast data set to practice on the base plotting in R. Just one more thing you need to do is you need to put data empty cars. Just in case it has not fetched, it will fetch the full data. Now we'll do some basic summary statistics on this. Now dim empty cars will give you the dimension of this data set. Control Enter. So it has 32 rows and 11 columns. str will give the internal structure of the data set. str. So this will give you all the column names, which all type it is, basically the class, and some of the details about the data present in it. Summary will give you a summary of the full data set as below, as you can see it here. Now for this column MPG, it's giving minimum, the first quantile, they were basically the 25th percentile, median, mean, third quantile, the 75th percentile, and the maximum. If you want to see all the names, what all are the column names, you just type names empty cars. So it gives you all the names of the columns. Similarly, if there are row names in the dataset, you just type row names. So it gives you all the name of the rows. Now there is one combined function, dimension names, dim names. It will give you the row as well as the column names. Just press enter. So it first gave you, like I pressed dimension dim names. It gave you the dimension, the row names and the column names. Now suppose you want the top six entries, observations of this data set, you type head empty cars. So it gave you the first 6. Similarly, there is a function called tail. It will give you the last 6. Before starting the plotting, I just want you to know some of the shortcuts in case you don't know it already. To run a command, you just need to press Control Enter. You can use the run function, the run button here, but suppose I want to run the row names, so I don't have to go and click on run. I just press Control Enter, so it runs that command. Now in case you want to run 2 lines at a time, in that case you need to select it and again press Control Enter. So it first ran the names, the first one, and the row names. Then there is a shortcut Control L. Now this is the console over here in the below. Now if it gets filled up, then you just need to press Control L. It will clear everything in the console, just like this. It clears everything. And then there is a command Control Shift C. It comments basically. Now for example, if I select this Control Shift C, so the R won't run these things. It is as like it's commented, and if I press the Control Shift C again, it will uncomment it. Now there are different plots in the base plot in R. First is the generic XY plot, which we'll be covering here, then the histogram, then the bar plot, and the box plot. Now let's start with the generic XY plot. Let's first see the dataset head empty cars. So it's showing the 6 rows, top 6 rows. Now in this we'll be looking into the weight column here. Now to run a plot, we just need in the base R, we just need to put plot and the name of that column. So empty cars $weight, that means it fetches the weight column. Control Enter. So see, as you can see on the right hand side, it has plotted the weight. Now weight is here on the left, on the y axis, and this is the indexing. So indexing is basically how it appears in the data set. For example, 2.6 will come around here, and then it's 2.87. So basically it's plotting as per the index which is